We're going to smooth out the floor with a Portland type soft leveler. We're already on our second coat. We could dry it with a fan. Then we sand with a square buffer with an 80 grit mesh. And along the walls we could use a pole sander. We then vacuum. And now we're going to trace a chalk line. Usually we start one tile from the wall, but here, because of the irregularity of the room, we start in the middle. We roll the contact cement. We wait an hour, we can walk on it. We then lay the tiles. It's a 12 by 24 and they're put in a running bond fashion. At the ends we can cut with a utility knife for all the end cuts. Any kind of smudges we can just wipe it off with a wet rag. We then roll with a 100-pound roller, especially across the joints. We're ready to use the finish. We mix it well so that the flattening agent is well incorporated. And then we pour the pre-measured catalyst. Once catalyzed, the finish is good for 4 days. We then apply the finish. We don't want to put heavy, we just want to wet the floor. It applies very easily. We can dry it between coats with a fan again. And then with a putty the color of the cork, we could fill in all the gaps. We wipe it. We then vacuum. Now we're ready to put the second coat, and then 2 hours later the third coat. It has to be totally dry between coats. Usually when we go east-west one coat, we like to go north-south the next coat. But in this case, because of the odd-shaped room, we're going in the same direction, but always in the graining of the cork. We then sand with a 180 grit paper. We vacuum. And then we're ready for the fourth and final coat. The floor is finished.